Hello. Welcome to our video presentation on our research topic. Our team members are As you may know, we just finished our really big research project on. The title is to identify textual sentiment-based contradiction review of tourist spots. This research started as we try to identify any contradiction in a review. Okay. Intro. Traveling is awesome, but before you travel to a specific place, you need to read reviews of that place. Also, the reviews could be good or bad at the same time where contradictions occur. Sentiment analysis, also known as text mining or opinion mining, which is the process of determining whether a piece of writing is positive, negative or neutral. For example, I love this place. From that sentence, the word love is a positive sentiment which makes that sentence overall positive. There are sentences which are long and contains both positive and negative sentiments which contradicts what had been said. Therefore, we are going to measure the level of contradiction within that review. Objective: to study the contradiction analysis where the main goal is to identify contradictory pieces of text. Literature review. First, to review, sentiment-based analysis on tourist domain 2015. Second, Gangran investigating online destination images using a topic-based sentiment analysis approach. 2017 polarity classification. This method is to compare the negative sentiments over the topics rather than the classification itself. Last, Dani Suarez Vargas identifying sentiment-based contradictions 2016 proposing a filtering algorithm to improve classification performance. Methodology: reviews of a certain tourist spot will be analyzed to find the sentiment expression to detect any contradictions. Each review will be analyzed at different levels to find whether the review is positive, neutral, or negative using the MPQA lexicon database. Okay. Review will be inserted into an online Stanford part of speech to identify the adjective, noun, verb, etc. Words in the sentences are calculated and the levels of contradiction will be shown. After all this, polarity of sentiment words in the sentences are calculated and the levels of contradiction will be shown. Going on to discussion. Data collection. Data are collected from the website TripAdvisor. Reviews taken from 6 different tourist spots. Each spot will have the latest 20 reviews taken into consideration. Each review will be limited to maximum 5 sentences where unrelated sentences will be omitted. Analysis of data. Each sentence of the one review will be inserted into the Stanford part of speech tagger to tag the sentence. That is the following. Sentiment words are extracted from it, which usually is an adjective. The adjectives are simple and beautiful. These words are positive sentiment. From a sample review, the first 2 sentences are positive but the last sentence is neutral. Sentiment words are artistic and cheap. Using a formula to calculate the score of each review to find the levels of contradiction. Another formula. Find the overall score of a specific point of interest and contradiction level. Results. The results are as expected. If a spot is over 30%, it means there is less contradiction. But 10% and below will be high. Finally, conclusion. The results are what we had expected after finishing this research. Reviews for each point of interest, and it usually shows more towards contrastive than contradiction. Contradiction level for each point of interest is low where the reviews are mostly positive. Reviews from each person are usually either negative or positive but rarely neutral. Thank you very much for watching this video presentation.
created using Powtoon.